Hi, my beautiful scorpions. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, scorpions, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of February 2022. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Scorpions, before we begin, just a disclaimer. I have been keeping very unwell last couple of days and weeks and I'm still recovering, so please bear with me for low energy and all coughing, puffing. I was not even sure I'll be able to record for February, but anyway, I'm giving it a shot, okay? So guys, while pre-shuffling for you guys, I was connecting to a very interesting energy of someone who is like full of excitement, okay, a childlike excitement, and someone is being really impatient, okay. It's like someone has started some project, work, or something new or something major is happening in someone's life and they have not disclosed it yet to the public, okay, and they are just waiting like, when can I share this information, okay, when can I talk about this, when can I speak about this, and they are getting little impatient about it. It was a very what do I say? It was a very childlike energy and excitement, and it was a beautiful energy. And for some of you guys, I feel that you guys are really running out of patience. You are feeling that things are not progressing as fast as they should, okay? There is a slow moving energy. Things are happening in the background, but you are not, seeing them in 3D yet, and you are running out of patience. I kept on seeing the Knight of Pentacles, which happens to be the slowest energy of tarot deck, and the Temperance, okay, which talks about patience and balance and balancing things out, okay. It's a Sagittarian energy. So yeah, I kept on seeing those cards repeatedly, and that's where I'm getting this message, okay. So guys, with that, let's get started and see what messages we have for you guys for this beautiful month of February. Four of Pentacles, okay. World. Eight of Wands. Yeah, I definitely feel that some of you guys are working very hard on your goals, okay, like very, very hard on your goals. Yeah, there you go. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. The Devil card and the Knight of Wands. Wow. There are two aces over here. There is Magician also. Hierophant. Lovers. Wow. Woman. Judgment. I had seen Star also. Page of Cups also. Okay, I'll stop at that. I'm feeling like pulling all the cards as your energy, but well, there is some message coming in for some of you guys for sure. Could be an apology, could be a message of love, okay. Anyway, let's get started, okay. Let me check the camera. Okay. So guys, your overall energy has shown up as Seven of Wands, which is telling or talking about Seven of Gabriel, which is Seven of Wands in conventional tarot. It says, stand up for what you believe in, have confidence, claim your personal power. Now, for some of you guys, there could be some sort of conflict happening, or conflict in the sense you might be having some trouble expressing your thoughts, opinions. It's like whenever you open your mouth to speak something, to tell something, to communicate something, the other person is just ending up misinterpreting it, okay. That kind of energy I'm getting. There is a struggle communicating, basically, is what I'm getting energetically over here, okay. So what is required is you just be firm about whatever you think, okay. Make sure you're assertive and you communicate your point across very clearly to the person person no matter what. Okay, make sure you use the right choice of words while communication, because if the other person is not on same page or wavelength in terms of understanding, there are bound to be conflicts. Okay, so make sure you are using right words over there while communicating. So guys, speaking of your energies over here, I can see that yes, some of you guys definitely have some stringent financial goals. So you probably are saving for something. You have some you guys have some goals in your mind, career goals in your mind. Okay, like by the end of 2022, I want to earn this much money, or I want to buy this car, or I want to buy this property, or some materialistic goal, and you guys are really working hard towards it. What I'm seeing. See how this person is working in a very focused manner. Okay, there could be a new opportunity for some of you guys in terms of career. Okay. New job opportunity. I see a lot of money coming through you. Okay, there is a shift in your career is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, this opportunity is something which will bring in a lot of money to you guys. Okay, and it will take you a step closer to achieving your career goals or financial goals. Okay, I also feel some of you guys being very mindful while spending money. You are very careful about your expenditure, which is a good thing. I am also feeling that someone is being a little stubborn over here. Okay, someone is very sitting in the energy of my way or highway. Probably this is where the 7 of Wands is coming into picture. Okay, someone is not willing to take into consideration the other person's opinion. Okay, it could be you or the other person, whoever is in the mix. Take how it resonates, but this is very specific. Okay, yes, for major of you guys, I see there is a lot of progression in career. You are working very hard in terms of your professional life is what I'm seeing. Okay, yeah, and that definitely is going to give you the required results in terms of monetary aspects is what I'm getting. For some of you guys are really stuck over something is what I'm seeing. Okay, and that is a little detriment. That is kind of a little detrimental thing. There is the devil energy just below the world card. Okay, so I feel that yes, some of you guys are kind of a little you guys are being kind of moving round and round about some issue. Okay, stuck in some issue or stuck over something, and which is proving to be a little problematic for some of you guys. Okay, that's not a good thing to do. Okay, you really need to let go. I also feel that some of you guys are probably addicted to screen, in the sense you are binge watching a lot of stuff, Netflixing. Okay, like staying up and watching maybe the web series, and just binge watching is what I'm seeing over here. Spending a lot of time over mobile or laptop is what I'm seeing. For some of you guys, if that's the case, please do cut out on that. Anything in excess is not good, guys. It is toxic. It is addiction. Okay, some of you guys could be on dating apps also, and spending much time over there. Okay, something related to internet, something related to online space. Okay, but definitely there is something that you are really obsessed about and are binging over. Okay, and it's proving to be a little toxic. Okay, toxic in the sense you might be ending up spending a lot of time watching stuff, being on social media, being on dating apps. Okay, chatting till late night. Okay, that kind of energy I'm getting over here. Capricorn energy over here, the devil energy. There is, yes, definitely some sort of addiction that I can see right away. Okay, for some of you guys, there's going to be some sort of message coming through. I don't know what it is. There could be some communication. I also feel that some of you guys are very passionate about their work. Okay, they are really they have like they're working over some project day and night. Okay, it's like their dream project, and that is also a kind of obsession that I see over here. It could impact your health, guys. Definitely it will take you to this successful energy of Ace of Pentacles, but please be mindful, anything in excess can be harmful. Do not end up compromising your health in this process, is what I'll try to tell you. Definitely someone is being very creative and innovative at work front, is what I'm seeing over here. Yeah, someone could be writing as well. Poems, blogs, I don't know, something related to online space. Okay, some of you might have started their own blog as well, is what I'm seeing. Something related to internet is what I'm seeing over here. The overall energy has shown up as the star card, Aquarian energy. I feel that you guys really need to bring balance into the situation. Okay, there is something happening in excess over here. You guys know it better. Okay, Scorpions, so please make sure that you are bringing balance into the situation and not getting carried away. Give enough time for yourself also. You're working hard on your materialistic goals, but make sure you're giving time for yourself as well. If I flip this card, you will see how this young boy is standing next to this man, and this man is just not being able to see this child. Okay, and make sure that you're not ignoring your family in the process, is what I'm saying. Judgment card, Lovers card, Hierophant, and Magician, and Ace of Swords. Now guys, I feel that some of you guys, there could be a new start in terms of relationship. Okay, some of you guys might give a fresh start to in terms of their love life. Okay, there is Lovers energy, that is a soulmate twin flame kind of energy. Okay, that I feel that for some of you guys there could be marriage also on cards. Taurus energy I can see over here. Yes, I feel that, I strongly feel now, in fact I'm getting convinced that some of you guys might end up meeting online. Okay, like through dating apps or through matrimony sites, and this association is going to lead to marriage for some of you guys. Okay, you might end up meeting your soulmate or your partner through online medium. Okay, that's what I'm getting over here, and this could culminate in marriage for some of you guys, is what I'm seeing. A Judgment card as well. Yeah, since it's from a since it's from online space, make sure that you have found out enough about the person involved and you have done your due diligence and then taking the plunge, guys. That's the kind of message I'm getting. But looks like this is a soulmate energy, and it's blessed by God. It's blessed by angels. You two guys are meant to come together, and this looks like a perfect timing for you guys to come together. Okay, so for some of you guys this could be a case of remarriage, and there could be child in the mix. Okay, because there are kids in two of these pictures over here. I think Hierophant also has a kid involved. Yes, definitely guys, there could be a child involved in the mix. Either of you or both of you guys might have kids from their previous marriage, is also what I'm getting over here. Very specific, might not resonate with all, but that is the message that is coming through, guys. Yeah, Ace of Swords also, clarity of thoughts. I feel Magician. I feel that you guys are manifesting something big time. Okay, you are consciously manifesting something. Maybe you have consciously manifested this new job. Maybe you have consciously manifested this relationship as well. Okay, so definitely that's the kind of energy that is coming very strongly. I also would again give a word of caution. Magician energy could be a little manipulative. So if you are interacting with anyone and since there is Devil card also, if you are interacting with anyone in the online space, please be very careful. Use your judgment call and then move ahead, is what I'll tell you. Okay, yes. Yes, definitely new beginnings for some of you guys in terms of love life as well as career. Okay, strongly career I am seeing over here. This relationship might take some time to go ahead. You guys might have just recently started dating each other, talking to each other, and from here to move to marriage energy, it might take a little time. Okay, maybe a period of 5 to 6 months is what I'm getting over here. Yeah, but definitely new opportunities in career for some of you guys right away is what I'm seeing. That was a beautiful reading, Scorpion, and let's pull some more messages for you guys from this beautiful deck, my favorite deck at that, Moonology. Okay, those are the meditate and contemplate. Yes, meditate and contemplate. I really think that you guys really need to slow down a bit, spend time on yourself, meditate a little, and try to bring in balance in the situation. The Devil card is also talking about balance, and the Lovers card is also talking about balance, guys. Yeah, it's like the yin and yang energy over here. You and your loved ones are safe. Wow, what a lovely confirmation to get, especially in the time of pandemic. Thank you, spirit guides and angels. What else? It's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. Your card itself, guys. If you are indulging into any toxic habits, toxicity, please make sure you let go of that. Okay, that's the message I'm getting from this. Let's see what messages we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Contemplation time. Spend time alone meditating upon what you truly desire. Guys, the message is repeated and definitely you should pay attention to it. Okay, you really need to meditate at least 5 minutes a day. Okay, contemplation time, meditate and contemplate, same message over here. And you guys really need to meditate is what I also feel energetically from this reading. Yeah, let's see what else for my lovely Scorpions. Let yourself receive. Allow others to give you loving care. Receive without guilt or apologies. Wow, that is a very beautiful message, and one that every one of us should know or acknowledge, that we are worthy and deserving of good things in our life. Okay, we really tend to forget that many a times. Okay, so it's a very beautiful reminder from the angels, and I really liked it. Let's pull some charms for you guys and conclude this reading. Please spare me for the noise. I really can't help it. Okay, I will take this. I choose strength. Wow, a lovely charm at that. Definitely something that gives a sense of empowerment. I really like this charm, guys. I choose strength. You are always in my heart. Wow. This is someone saying to someone else. There's Lover's energy as well. So you might get a communication from someone, and that person might end up expressing these emotions towards you. Wish. Yep, there is Magician card as well. Okay, it's definitely a manifestation time, big time. Okay, guys, it's a time to see your wishes or your dreams come true. Okay, so focus on positivity, focus on what you want rather than what you do not want. Okay, and see your dreams come true like a jiffy, within no time. Lovely confirmation. What is this? This is, oh yeah, this is Sun and Moon. So guys, I feel that when I'm seeing this Lovers card, I am feeling that it's a yin and yang kind of energy. Okay, two different people who complement each other very beautifully coming together, and that is confirmed by this charm. And I absolutely have no doubts that there is going to be a new beginning for some of you guys in terms of relationship. And wow, I'm so super excited. there is the star. Okay, now there was a star in your reading as well. Okay, star talks about healing, emotional, personal, spiritual. Okay, and there is a star behind also. Okay, definitely a wish fulfillment time for some of you guys. Definitely a time to dig within your own self, give time to yourself, work on your emotional and mental and spiritual well-being, guys. That message is coming very strongly to me and is confirmed by this charm as well. So make sure you're giving enough time to yourself, guys. Do not ignore your own mental peace and health for some of you guys. Yeah, death card. Yeah, time to let go of some negativity, some sort of toxicity, toxic behavioral pattern is what I'm getting. I'm not sensing anything bad over here. It's just that some of you guys need to cut your toxic habits is what I'm seeing very clearly. This is again your energy. Death card is a death card or a death charm is a scorpion energy. It's you showing up in your reading is what I'm seeing. And an initial H. Okay, if at all that matters to you, person's name starting with H or a place starting with H, someone with whom you are interacting has H in their initials, whatever this means to you guys. Lovely reading this was, guys. I absolutely loved the energy of this reading and I hope you liked it too. If any of this resonates with you, if any of this is your story, please do give the video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Share your experiences, drop comments. Okay, last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.